In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go back to home in Notion. When you're working inside Notion, it's really easy to get deep into a specific page, database, or nested section, and then suddenly realize you want to jump back to a central place. That central place is your home view. Think of home as your personal landing page in Notion, where you can quickly access your most recent documents, key pages, and helpful widgets. Knowing how to get back there in an instant can save you a lot of clicking around and scrolling. The fastest and most reliable way to return to home is by using the sidebar. Look over to the left side of your screen, where the Notion sidebar lives. At the very top of that sidebar, you'll see a small house icon labeled Home. This house symbol is what you're looking for. Anytime you want to go back to your main starting point, simply click that home icon. The moment you click it, Notion will take you straight to your home view, no matter how far down you've drilled into your workspace or which page you were just editing. You don't need to backtrack through page history or close anything first. The Home button acts like a shortcut that instantly resets your view to that main landing page. It's helpful to remember that the home view is persistent. That means it's always there and always accessible from that same spot in the sidebar. If you're working with multiple workspaces or lots of different pages, this can become your anchor. Anytime you feel lost or want to quickly see what you were working on recently, just head back to home using that icon. You'll also notice that your home view often includes widgets or quick links. These might show your recently opened pages, important documents you've pinned, or other shortcuts that help you get back into your work faster. Over time, you may start to think of home as your personal dashboard inside Notion. So to recap in a simple way, glance at the left-hand sidebar. Go right up to the very top, find the little house symbol labeled Home, and click it. That one action is the quickest and easiest way to return to your main landing page in Notion, anytime you need it.